Last day of school for Jay. So for today, for breakfast, I'm making buttermilk pancakes with strawberry and cinnamon. Here's breakfast. Strawberry pancakes with cinnamon, and we have some cantaloupe on the side, and a nice coffee for Jay this morning. Happy last day of school. Going extra gourmet summer lunch today. I have a tuna salad sandwich on a hamburger bun with ketchup chips. Nice and simple, easy meal. Yum yum. I'm having fish sticks on a bun with mayonnaise, homemade relish, and onions. So my own little tartar sauce. And some olives. Well, hey guys. Well, it's Sunday and we're having a barbecue tonight. So we have some mushrooms, canned mushrooms, 1 can of whole canned mushrooms. And I added some olive oil, some onion powder, paprika, and garlic pepper. So I'm just going to put those on the skewer and they're going to go on the charcoal barbecue. All right. Got that cooking on the barbecue. Barbecue. Yeah. Getting there. It's getting there. So we're going to try this barbecue sweet and sour summer stash barbecue that I had hidden for the summertime. And this is the reason why. Because I want to use it on the barbecue this summer. So we're doing that now. Sweet and sour barbecue sauce. Just spread it on with your spatula. Smells good.
It does.
Smells good. Don't forget the cheese on those burgers. Not ready yet, but they will be soon, right?
Yeah.
Or you want to do the other side after? Or?
Yeah, after. I'm not ready to flip yet.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, so I'll leave it out with you. Well, dinner is served. Sweet and sour barbecue hamburgers with some cheese, onions, lettuce, mustard, and mayonnaise. My mushroom skewer. And of course, mayonnaise with some sausage. Sausage on a bun. Going for a truck ride. Our truck's running, guys. So we're back on the road with the truck, and we're going to Giant Tiger today to go pick out a dress for me, and I'm going to pick out a shirt for Jay. Fun times. Look at these clouds. Funky ass clouds. Looks like a face. Hey, right there? Looks like a face. Face down. Got in the car truck just on time. Look at all this rain, guys. Oh, it was coming down hard at one spot, AJ.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to calm down a little bit. My gosh. Just on time. Well, I went into the Giant Tiger. I got a couple things for groceries on special. But the dresses weren't that pretty. They weren't that nice. There was a lot going on the dresses. A lot of floral patterns and zigzags and whatever else. They weren't nice. So I didn't get any. As for the metal shirts for Jay, well, all they had was Motorhead and Janis Joplin. So he didn't get a t-shirt. So it's all food today. No dress. So I'll check out the thrift store next time I go, because sometimes they have some on the penny rack and they're brand new with the tag on it. So we'll see. We'll see. But no luck with the summer dress so far. Well, instead of going to the restaurant today, we decided to go to Giant Tiger and pick up a few things. And well, we seen this, instead of going to the restaurant and spending $12 to $15, the bag of pizza bites cost us $5, and the mixed greens was reduced to $1. So this is a $6 meal for me and Jay for tonight. I just added a little bit of mayonnaise on top with some balsamic vinegar mixed together. And there we go. And that's our dinner. Nice and easy and cheap. $6 for these 2 plates. And I still have some of these in the freezer left over in the bag. So there we go. For $5, that is good. I really enjoy those pizza bites. These pizza bites are amazing. And I've never seen them at Giant Tiger before. So, yeah.
They're really good.
For $5, I'm going to get some more of those. You'll probably make them yourselves, but you don't want to cook. $5 for a bag? Can't go wrong. So this is the salad that I got for $1. It's sweet and spicy mix. So it's got a whole bunch of different microgreens. Premium crisp lettuce, pea shoots, and micro radishes. Dressing not included. This was a really good salad, and I will definitely buy it again. And these are the pizza bites. So it's a 600-gram bag for $5 today. So yeah, that's my nice frugal dinner. I'm not considering it a grocery haul because it's what we had for dinner today. You know, it's instead of going to the restaurant, we decided to walk in and, pick up something as I was looking for that dress today. So yeah, that's what I picked up today at the Giant Tiger.